Casey, you're having a jam session, huh? Daddy's turn, your turn. Come on, show everybody. Oh. You can't eat the guitar, just you play. There you go.
See how much he loves it? He wants it.
See, Dad, is this my guitar? This is bigger than my other one I play with. Who needs toys? Go ahead, strike a chord. Yay! Go ahead.
Come on. Yay!
Oh,
he wants it.
gimme, gimme, gimme.
All right.